Hey guys, welcome to Mr. King Gamer Coder channel guys. So guys, in this video we're gonna play Granny Chapter 2 in extreme mode. Okay guys, we can't use both or not. Both only will be option here. Finally, only both option will be guys. So I'll get started with my video guys. So Godzilla Earth and Balu is also joining this video guys. Okay guys, I've started my game guys. Okay, I kept extreme mode. Okay guys, it will be very scary guys. But don't play normal guys. Use a trick guys. And I kept Vivid Place poster guys. And again Vivid Place channel I love. He's my Godzilla's best friend. When our games be tough, I'll keep his poster guys. I love his poster guys. When our games be tough. Extreme mode will be very tough guys. Okay, I'll go open. Go slowly yaar, go slowly. Hey Shion, what happened to you yeah? Hey Motte. Hey wait try. We have to use a trick now. Wait. Now Granny will come. Now what? Now Granny will come. What's the use now? Okay guys, both will come. See here, yeah. See very fast. Grandpa came very fast. Yes, yeah. Duct tape also I got guys. Yes, yeah. I got duct tape. Oh, we made a sound here, Shian. Oh, Granny will come here. Okay, I'm not using same trick here. In hard mode 1, I'm using different. Yeah, wait. No, Granny came here. Shoot Granny here. I shot. 15 seconds here. What is this here? Granny is gone for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, again she'll be alive fastly. What is this guys? What's this guys? She's before only alive again. Okay guys. Oh, I got glass fuse guys. I met some Granny will come here guys. Come Granny. I'm very scared of Granny. Come fastly. Oh, this much fast here. This grandpa should also come here. This grandpa is taking so much time, guys. This gun. Ah, yeah, my gun is. Hey, guys. By shooting, what's the use, guys? Oh, hey, yeah, what's that use? But Granny will be alive after 15 seconds only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that only. 15 seconds, that's it. I can't use easy mode trick also guys. Granny will come very fastly guys. Once I get stuck means I'm dead guys. I complete this game below 20 minutes guys. Below 20 minutes I'll complete this game guys. Okay, Grandpa is there guys. Nothing is there. Wrench. Yes guys, I got wrench. Now again Granny will be alive guys. Yeah, that's only the very big one. Yeah guys, Shion, you have to complete this extreme mode below 20 minutes here. Okay, yaar, it's very tough yaar. Wait, Balu. You played extreme mode but I didn't play yaar first. Let me try yaar. And that I kept my poster, my friend's poster. Oh shoot. Shot here. 15 seconds. Granny is now gone for 15 seconds. What a nice year. Okay, I'll go down guys. Okay, I throw that down guys. I need stun gun with me guys. Again Granny will be alive guys. So what have to do? In here and like this. What my friend Balu told, what Godzilla told, that only won't happen guys forever. At least 25 minutes. That also will happen or not, I don't know, Godzilla. Oh, she came. Ah, nice. Time here. Shian is shot. Oh, Grandpa came. And you have to do helicopter escape, Shian. Take the stun gun. Throw, I will. Okay. Again Granny, yaar. Again Granny. After 15 seconds, again she will come here. That's only very big thing, yaar. I need shotgun, yaar. Stun gun is giving 15 seconds, yaar. At least shotgun will give 30 seconds, yaar. Yeah, you told it correct, yaar. Yeah, you told it correct, yaar. Hey, Granny came. Almost saved here. Take this piece of the picture here. This also. I got finally 2 pieces of pictures here. Throw fastly. Grandpa won't come before Grandpa come. Take the gun here. Yeah. Okay, throw the gun over there. Weapon key should be here. The weapon key is here. If I tell it, oh guys, Grandpa is alive, guys. In his house. Okay, guys. Oh, I made sound that Granny will come very fast, guys. See you guys so much fast. My heartbeat here. My heartbeat pressure came up so much here. Okay guys, I'm going down guys now. Now this is the time to get shotgun guys. Yeah, but not now fastly. If Granny is alive means yeah, that you have to think, Shian. That is important thing you have to think. Okay, close the door here. Okay, open this. Close the door here. Okay, now only how much minutes here? 7 minutes. I can't complete this game, I think, yeah. I have less things. I will open this door, guys. It's a shortcut way, guys. No one is there, no, guys? No one is there. No one is there. Helicopter key also I got, guys. Yeah, guys. This was the helicopter key. Granny is alive, guys. Oh, go slowly, go slowly. Again, I'll be caught and it's very big problem will happen, guys. Oh, another piece of picture in toilet room, guys. Oh, Granny will come. Wait. As this is dark, Granny won't see me, guys. Whoa, no. Yeah. I'm saved here. This piece of picture also I'll take here. Hey, Shian, first make the weapon. Hey, shotgun. Hey, you only don't know how to complete in few seconds. In 20 minutes at least you have to complete. You only don't know. That's only how to complete my game first. Again, now Granny will be alive. Then what have to do? Okay. Helicopter key is near to me only. And I got totally 3 pieces of picture here. Be careful. I have to take shortcut way because Granny will be alive in 15 seconds. Granny's house. Hey, Grandpa is... Oh, go fastly, guys. Granny will come up fastly. Granny. Now come on, Granny. My stun gun is no use, guys. No shotgun is there, no, guys. Granny will go for 30 seconds, guys. Hey, Granny will come. Wait, be careful. Now Grandpa will also come, guys. Because the shotgun sound, this Grandpa will come compulsory, guys. From here he may come with. Hey, be careful. Hey, you came. Guys, finally I am saved, guys. If he comes means my case is gone, guys. Means I'm gone case, guys. Okay, guys, I got the last piece of picture. Glass shoes also I got, and helicopter key over there, guys. So, guys, my escape will be happen. You can tell her, guys. Okay, guys, I'll close this door. Okay, guys, Grandpa will be coming sometimes there, guys. My extreme mode escape should happen, guys. Okay, guys, it have to happen till that the 20 minutes below I have to complete, guys. I shoot the challenge. I'll see my minutes, guys. 10 minutes. Wow. Till that I got all the cheeses. Wow. What a wow, Shian. And I got shotgun better, guys. Maybe we can do it stun gun also. If I go means that granny will be, guys. That's a problem. So shotgun is enough, guys. Throw this duct tape also, guys. Take this glass shoes also, guys. Throw all up, guys. I throw it all up, guys. I can fit all, guys. Now I'll open this door and fit all, guys. Okay, guys. Now I'll take this piece of picture also, guys, and set it over here. Oh, again Grandpa is listening that music. Hey, live about that and first fix those pictures here. You open the door now. Yeah, you open the door. First take the gun and refill all the bullets. But where's the glass shoes here? But sound won't come, I think, here. Where's the glass shoes? Oh, gasoline can is there. I totally forgot that gasoline can will be down or up. Thank God, yaar. There's glass shoes, guys. Wait, yaar. Now after something Okay, refill bullet. Yeah, yaar. I know perfectly to shoot here. Balu, I will only shoot. This time I'll shoot from top, guys. This time down, guys, also. Oh shit, guys. My mission is uncompleted, guys. Another also. Down I'll shoot. Shit, guys, I done 2 times. So another time I have to complete, guys. Yes, guys. I have completed this puzzle here. In extreme mode, that too. What a nice thing here. Helicopter carry. Hey, I need gasoline. Wait. Glass shoes is dropped down here. Here, guys. Okay, go slowly. Now, Granny, what you do with me? Okay, yaar. I got glass shoes finally, and it fall down from ladder. It's waste thing here. Open this here. Keep this here. Yes, guys, my giant helicopter is there, guys. Open this here. Take gasoline can fastly. 15 seconds with stun gun. Shotgun 30 seconds, they'll die, guys. Okay, guys, first refill this gasoline can, guys. Fastly. Shian, I won't give enough time. How much minutes now only, guys? Hey, 13 minutes now only. Oh, I told below 20 minutes. Become 13 minutes only, guys. So, guys, I came here. So, that's an ad, guys. So, they are showing ad also while ending also they are showing ad also. Ad, guys. I went to hint, guys. You know where's hint? But this escape time here, I have to complete first. For hint, I'm going here. I can, by that hint, I can see Grandpa or Granny, guys. Now I have a helicopter manager also, guys. My escape will be completed, guys. Okay, guys. First, I want to see Grandpa and Granny photo, guys. Okay, guys. Guys, I didn't think this, guys, in extreme mode below 20. My Godzilla Earth and Balu went off, guys. So, guys, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. finally in extreme mode I completed Granny chapter 2 guys. Helicopter escape guys. So have a nice day guys. In extreme mode I have completed guys. I'm feeling so happy guys. So bye guys. Thank you for watching this video. So bye guys.